everybody, thank you for tuning in to another Jane's Daughters tutorial. I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
Today we are making floral wreaths made with straw hats that you can get at the Dollar Tree.
They look like this. When I bought them, I saw this and I thought, oh, I don't know, back in when I first started crafting back in the 80s, I did a lot of this, like hats with flowers all around it. So it brought back memories. So we decided to do something a little more creative other than flowers. We're going to make it look like a flower.
First, you take the ribbon off.
Took the ribbon off, and then this one is going to be a sunflower, and this one is going to be a daisy. So I actually got this paint at the Dollar Tree for that one. Also, these sponge applicators come in a pack of 3 at the Dollar Tree.
Perfect.
Sponge painted this on. I did mine in black.
The petal is 2.5 inches wide
At the bottom.
at the bottom.
So how I made this was I did 2.5 inches. Then I found the center and I folded it in half and decided how long I wanted the petals, which this petal is about 4 inches long.
Great.
Yours is a little smaller. That one is, oh no, 4 inches.
4
They're
inches.
both 4 inches. And then I just folded it in half, curved this. The daisy is a little more rounder, where the sunflower's a little more pointy, as the sunflower petal is.
So they're 2.5 by 4, and you want to cut 12 of each. We really wanted to use 2 different materials to give some dimension and just make it pop a little bit more. So we're using an off-white burlap and a white felt for the daisy, and you were using a yellow
felt. And then I just went through my fabric stash and found something I thought complemented this. So
yeah, so 2 different materials. We also sunk in the middle of the hat.
yes.
And because it was wet with paint, it kind of just dried really nicely like that and stayed that way.
Yeah, so let's get started. We're just going to do a bead of glue at the bottom and attach that. And then I would go ahead and do another bead of glue at the tip. And then same thing.
And we're doing every other.
Every other. Lay it on top.
How much are you overlapping?
I overlapped a good inch. You kind of have to get that. Now a little bit of the brim showed, but not enough that I don't think it's going to make a difference. And we're just going to go
All the way around.
As I was cutting these petals yesterday, Lindsey's son, my grandson, loves to craft. So he went and found some black felt and cut all these petals. So I promised him that tomorrow we would put a hat together for him. So when we take pictures, his hat's going to be part of it. So y'all know that will be Andrew's project. Again, very inexpensive. Especially if felt is very inexpensive. You can pick up squares of it at, Hobby Lobby, Joann. I don't remember seeing felt at the Dollar Tree. Doesn't mean yours doesn't have it. Everybody's Dollar Tree's a little bit different. Now when you come to the end, it kind of looks a little funky. It doesn't match up, but that is a good place to put your bow.
Alright. So far, that's so cute! I love it! Alright.
I think this would be adorable.
Oh, I want this.
Oh, you want that?
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I was envisioning.
Okay. You had a different vision in it, and I'm going to use my bee ribbon.
Oh, I love that.
I'm very stingy with this. I saved this for
Special occasion.
yes. This is the only roll I have of this. I think I got this at AC Moore before they closed. And I'm going to make an open bow because I want to add a sticky flower. I get these at Hobby Lobby. They're just nice, cute little stick-on flowers.
Nice.
You get, I think they're in the
So
scrap.
explain how to make this
The
bow
scrap.
because I do not know.
Oh, well, you just they're going to be all the same size.
Okay.
See, wouldn't a cute little ladybug
Yes.
look cute in yours?
I'm gonna do
So
that.
I'm gonna, however long I want my tail, which I'm thinking about 1 foot.
Okay.
And then I want my loop to be maybe about 4 inches. And then another 4 inches. So I'm gonna leave an open center. And I'm just gonna make, I think, 3 on either side. We don't really want the bow to be the focal point of the project.
Oh, you are twisting. You are making a bow.
I am making a bow. I'm going back and forth. I'm just not starting, you know how we kind of start with our middle
Sorry,
loop.
I misunderstood. If you do not know how to make a bow, I'm linking a tutorial down below that shows you that video.
So I just made a very simple bow. 3 on each side. And I'm hoping I'm going to be able to, now I'm putting my bow where I ended all my petals. They kind of didn't overlap in unison. So this little area here is where I'm going to place my bow. See, doesn't that little sunflower right in the center there just pop?
It
So cute.
does.
And they're so
cute.
Unfortunately, Hobby Lobby doesn't do the 40% in it anymore, and they do not accept competitors' coupons. But the scrapbooking section, I think, does go 40% off every now and then. So they're $4.99. They'd be, close to $3, which isn't bad because you get a dozen.
So, how are you sticking this in again? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying
I
attention.
was able to take my wire through, one of these little holes. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like yours better.
Really?
I do.
I'm a sunflower girl though, so I like yours. Add a little ladybug. These are adorable.
I know. I love ladybugs.
And it is just a cute little sticker.
And inexpensive.
Oh, that's adorable. You can hang it on your door, hang it on your wall, put it in a little girl's room or even a little boy's room because my son is probably going to want to hang his in his room. How cute! About how much would you say to make one of these?
Oh, well, if you have felt is inexpensive, if you get like under $5, because most of you are probably going to have to paint. The hat's $1, fabric maybe $1. Yeah, under $5 for sure.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment. We'd love to see if you create this. You can message us on Instagram or Facebook. We would love to see your creations. We'll see you soon.
Bye now.